This is a GCAM LEICA edition, and I made a video already on this GCAM, by the way, some time ago on my Hindi channel, but a lot of users were actually looking for this video, this kind of videos in English channel, in English language also. So I thought I shall make this video here too. As you can see, the watermark is here, and this is fully customizable. You can choose your own watermark also. A lot of options are included with this GCAM, and this GCAM link is available in the description. Simply install the APK and you are good to go. It's not about that you need to root your device, or it's about you don't need to use MIUI specifically. I mean, MIUI has this edition, and I made a video on Magisk module for only for MIUI and maybe other devices, not for other devices, by the way. That is MIUI camera. So this is something different here. This is GCAM, by the way. When you click a photo, it will take some time to load because it is HDR plus enhanced. So whenever you enable this thing, whenever you try to open, as you can see, the watermark is here. You can even use your custom watermark. You have the option to switch between lenses. Options are available here for you like this. You have the ultra wide support, you have the macro lens. So this is a very good thing. I mean, all the lenses options at least working for me in Android 13. So if you use Android 12 or Android 13, this should definitely work for you. Also, if you use MIUI, this should work for MIUI too. So this is a very useful thing, all in one thing, because MIUI modded camera is only for MIUI, but this is a GCAM, so this should work in other devices also. As you can see, watermark, which you can simply choose whichever you want to choose, and logo, we have some other logo options available too. iQOO, Samsung, Vivo, Oppo. This is really something great. For example, if I want to choose there from this Google, so if I try to enable this Google option, so let me try to click any photo just for an example. So I clicked here. As you can see, HDR plus enhanced photos. It will take some time to process, so don't worry about that. Just wait for some seconds. Enable this option for the preview gallery, and as you can see, now the watermark has been changed. So this is a very good thing. And as it is mentioned at the starting of the video, this thing is almost there, same with the previous video which I made on my Hindi channel. So if you want to take a look at that video, if you are not able to understand me in this language, you can check out the video in Hindi language too. And also, if you want to see a lot of videos from those topics in my Tech Current channel, you can simply comment below. I will try to make a video on those topics too. So that, as you can see, you can enable a lot of options. Things are working perfectly fine. This is for Android 12, Android 13, both. They should work for you too. But other options, as it is a GCAM, so all the features which were kind of expected in a GCAM are already present here. You have the option to load config from here. This is AGC GCAM, by the way. More settings include all the GCAM features which you need in your device. Developer options are there. If you want to explore all of these options, you can. It's totally up to you, and I've tested it in Redmi Note 10 Pro, which is actually sweet device. If I'm not wrong, the model is sweet. So other options is basically same, and these were the things I just want to let you know. Link is available in the description, and this is all. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Make sure to subscribe the channel. Goodbye.